And what it lets you do is search for people that are already searching for what you're selling. So Google and Facebook and all of those guys sell data about who's searching for what. And then third-party aggregators take that data, enrich it with emails and phone numbers and all of that. And that's who we've partnered with. So let me show you how it works. I'll give you a couple of different examples. You just basically come in and you set up your own search criteria. So let's say, for example, that I sell, health insurance, health benefits policies to companies, right? So I've decided that I want to target people that are searching for health insurance for business, or how about employees, or both. You can do both. Health insurance for business. And I can choose locations and all kinds of other criterias, but let's just keep it simple for now and show you the results. There we go, 199,000 people. And you can see you're getting their phone numbers, personal phone, personal email, business phone, business email. And this is for people that have searched those terms in the last 7 days. If you want, you can narrow that down and make it more recent, etc. So that's just one example. Let's try a different industry. Let's say that you're in the mortgage business. And I want to target people that are searching for mortgage application, right? So let's do that and see what we get. 66,000. Now, that's great. I may, in this case, want to filter on some financial factors. So I might want to say, if their credit rating is, high, right? Then that makes them a great customer for me. So now I've added that filter. And now we're down to 32,000. And then I could also filter it down by location and say, maybe I only want people in Texas because that's where my branches are or whatever. And that's how you really dial in on the people that are searching for what you can sell them right now. So there you go, about 2,000 every 7 days in Texas that have a great credit rating. Now let's try something a little more B2B. Let's do clean room ventilation. So this is a very specialized, happen to have a customer in mind right now that would be a great term for them if they supply ventilation equipment for clean rooms, for high sanitary manufacturing facilities and things like that. So let's see what we get there. Let's take the state back out of it. So we're doing nationwide. 53,000 nationwide. So again, I can come in and narrow this down by location. Or in this case, I might want to say, I only want to talk to them if they're, in some kind of a leadership position at the company. So now we're down to 5,000, 5,700. And you can see, because we're targeting business, we're almost all of them, we have business contact information. And of course, you can filter on that too. All of this data is verified. So you're going to be able to rely on the phone numbers and the email addresses and so on. Now, here's the magical part. You set up your search, you get the feed, and this continues ongoing. It's not just a one-time download of one list. It's an ongoing feed of everybody searching for the next, weeks and weeks or months and months. And they feed automatically into your SalesNexus system. So you see this lead engine nurture pipeline that I've created. Our intent leads feed right into this pipeline, and they go on an auto drip. And they're getting all these emails automatically. And if they click on any of them, then we move them to the next stage in the process. So here's that stage where they're going to get more emails, but also now a team member is going to get a task to give them a call, because now they've searched for something that makes them a good prospect for us recently, and they've gotten an email from us and clicked on it. So they're kind of raising their hand and saying, yeah, you need to call me right now, right? So that's how easy it can be. The cost for this is not what you're thinking. It's a lot less. It's going to be, less than 40 cents per contact. And these are people in market searching for what you're selling right now.